This workflow automatically answers common customer support questions using AI, freeing your time for complex issues. When a customer sends a message via WhatsApp, the system processes it, finds the best answer, and sends a personalized reply. The input is a customer message, and the output is a tailored AI-generated response, all without manual intervention. To build this, you will need an n8n account, a Google Sheet for your knowledge base, and access to an LLM like Claude or Gemini. An n8n starter plan costs around $20 per month, offering enough workflows and executions for many small businesses. Google Sheets is free with a Google account, and LLM API costs are usage-based, typically a few dollars for thousands of interactions. Using AI for customer support requires careful attention to data privacy. Ensure your knowledge base only contains publicly available information or data customers have consented to share. When setting up your LLM, review their data retention policies. Most offer options for not using your data for model training. Always refer to the latest n8n, Google, and LLM documentation for current pricing and privacy terms. Our workflow begins with a customer message received through the WhatsApp Business API. This message acts as the trigger for our n8n workflow. The customer simply sends their question as they normally would, in plain text, expecting a helpful response. For this example, we'll assume a standard inquiry like "What are your business hours?" or "How do I reset my password?" In n8n, the first step is a WhatsApp Business trigger node, set to listen for incoming messages. Once a message arrives, the workflow activates. We then use a code node to perform basic pre-processing, such as removing leading trailing spaces or converting the text to lowercase for consistency, before sending it to the AI. Next, we send the pre-processed message to an AI model, like Claude or Gemini, using an HTTP request node. We'll prompt the AI to identify the customer's intent and extract key entities or keywords. For example, from "What are your business hours?" the AI identifies business hours as the keyword and query business info as the intent. With the intent and keywords extracted, we query our Google Sheets knowledge base using a Google Sheets node. Each row in the sheet contains a common question, relevant keywords, and its corresponding answer. We'll search for rows where the extracted keywords match those in our sheet to find the most relevant information. After the lookup, we use an if node in n8n. If a relevant answer is found in the Google Sheet, the workflow proceeds to formulate a response. If no match is found, the workflow takes a different path, perhaps escalating the query to a human agent or sending a "Sorry, I don't understand" message. This prevents the AI from giving irrelevant or incorrect answers. When an answer is found, we send the original customer message and the retrieved knowledge base answer back to the AI model. We prompt the AI to synthesize a polite, concise, and personalized response using the information from the knowledge base. This ensures the answer is accurate while still sounding natural and helpful, avoiding generic canned replies. The final AI-generated message is then sent back to the customer via the WhatsApp Business Send message node. Crucially, before or after sending, we use another Google Sheets node to log the entire interaction, the original query, the AI's intent, the knowledge base answer, and the final response. This log is vital for monitoring performance and continuously improving your knowledge base. Let's run a live test. A customer sends "What are your delivery options?" The workflow triggers, the AI identifies delivery options, finds the matching answer in the Google Sheet. We offer standard 3 to 5 day shipping and expedited 1 to 2 day shipping. The AI then crafts a polite message, "Hi." We offer both standard 3 to 5 day shipping and expedited 1 to 2 day shipping options for your convenience. Let me know if you have more questions. And sends it back instantly. What happens if the AI can't find an answer or misinterprets the query? Our conditional routing handles this. If the Google Sheet lookup fails, instead of sending a default message, the workflow can post the original customer query to a dedicated Slack channel or send an email to a support agent. This ensures complex or unique issues still reach a human quickly, avoiding customer frustration. While powerful, this AI agent is best suited for frequently asked questions and straightforward information retrieval. It cannot handle complex multi-turn conversations, understand nuanced emotional context, or access secure customer account information. For advanced support scenarios or sensitive data, human intervention remains essential. This solution augments, it does not replace, your human support team. Automating customer support is just one application of AI agents. In our next build, we'll explore how to use a similar n8n and AI agent workflow to pre-qualify sales leads from your website forms or social media. This can help filter genuine prospects, ensuring your sales team focuses only on the most promising opportunities.